Hiring a professional concrete polishing contractor will eliminate the guesswork on the proper way of preparing and installing polished concrete. The job will be done properly and in just a short time. This will save you a lot of time and money. Southside Concrete Polishing is the best polished concrete flooring company in New York City. We deliver an affordable, low-maintenance, durable, commercial polished flooring system immediately, no waiting. Concrete polishing is a sustainable, eco-friendly, low-maintenance solution to carpeting or concrete overlays and coatings. Essentially, an existing concrete slab is treated with a densifier and progressively ground and polished with increasingly finer grits until it has the desired reflective aggregate sheen or polish. At Southside Concrete Polishing, it's our goal to install the very best floors that fit your needs. Every year we bring our entire team to training classes that keep us updated with the cutting-edge technology to provide superior floor installation services. We aren't just another concrete flooring company. It is our mission to make the city a better place, one epoxy or polished concrete floor at a time. We take pride in our work. To enjoy the full benefits of concrete overlays, leave the job to Southside Concrete Polishing. It can be a difficult do-it-yourself project. Decorative designs can be done manually for simple patterns and designs. The more complex ones can be done by computer software. Southside Concrete Polishing installers are well equipped with the latest techniques and skills using different overlay materials. They can also provide you with expert and creative ideas as well as all the possibilities concrete overlay can do with your concrete floor. Concrete overlays are easier and more convenient to install than other concrete flooring options. They can simply be installed over a properly prepared concrete floor surface to create a new aesthetically beautiful concrete floor with your very own designs, patterns, and color.